How to download Discord on Android mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download the Discord app on your Android device. For this, open up Play Store on your device. Make sure you have signed into your Gmail account on Play Store. Then you want to tap on the search bar. Now type Discord and search for this. Out of the search result, this is the app you should be looking for. If you want to know more about this app, simply tap on the About this app option, and here you have all the details about the Discord app. Here it says that Discord is designed for gaming and great for just chilling with friends or building a community. Scroll down and you will find all the technical details and app info as well. Now, if you head back and scroll down, you're going to find the ratings and reviews of the users of the Discord app. If you want to download this, tap on the install button. Now, depending on the speed of internet and the file size, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. After it has been installed, simply tap on the open option and now you can start using the Discord app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.